everyone, how is the hustling and bustling? I believe you're enjoying your day. Well, today I just say let me bring a word of encouragement to you. Are you a business person, especially a bag maker, and you're wondering if you're going to make it in this bag business? Let me tell you something. There's an assurance that you'll make it. Like the saying goes that Rome was never built in a day. Yes, Rome was never built in a day. It took time, it took years for Rome to be built. Okay, like this, my bag, when I started bag making, let me tell you, it wasn't rosy. It wasn't something, a rosy, journey. But with time, with consistency, I began to make it. People started noticing my business. In fact, I started from so I was consistent with what I was doing. I kept doing what I knew how to do very well. And let me tell you something, I didn't start bag making as an expert. The more I was consistent, I was persistent, and I also persevere. Assuming I don't have this patience, like maybe assuming I wanted to start today and start making it today, let me tell you, you wouldn't have known Tarron Innovative World today. But the truth of the matter is, no matter what, just take life gently on yourself. Don't push yourself too hard. Please don't be hard on yourself. Just make sure you're doing the right thing at all times. All right, so look at these souvenir bags. I've made hundreds of thousands of these souvenir bags. If you have been following me, although most times I don't show most of my work, but now I want to start showing what I do. Okay, so now I've made more than thousands of these bags, even in this year 2024 alone. Okay, so just know that Rome was never built in a day. It wasn't built in a day. Let me tell you how I started my bag making business. I started from home. Okay, now we are in a big place now. Yes, to the glory of God. It might not be as big as maybe I want it, but at least we thank God. So I started from home. Okay, I started, anytime I get a small work, my mom will assist me. I was also teaching. I was a teacher. I was teaching, and then I will collect the job. See, I will come back from work maybe around 4 or after 4 p.m. or in the, and yet instead of me to rest, I will quickly I will jump to the machine, a sewing machine, and start. And I will still be doing my thing, you understand? So, and most times I sleep around 1 o'clock in the morning, like that. And you know that I will still need to wake up as early as possible to get dressed and go to work. Do you understand? So the journey to success is not always easy. So take it easy on yourself. If you know that you have been trying your best, just make sure that you put God first. God is the number one. Is the ultimate. He is the ultimate because he's our creator. He's the one that can help you. So just know that. Just make sure you are consistent. You are consistent with what you're doing. Keep getting better at what you are doing. And also, if possible, get somebody to coach you. Yes, YouTube is very good. It's good. You can learn a lot of things. But the truth of the matter is, you still need somebody to put you through some things. Okay? So, like I told you, I've made these thousands of these souvenir bags this year. Yes, thousands of these, to the glory of God, and God has been helping. So I just want to encourage you today that you should take it slowly, like take it soft on yourself. Don't kill yourself. With consistency, and when people see that you are good, when you are good at what you do, you have a lot of people to patronize you. Okay, now another thing I want to talk about is, if you're good, definitely, like when I started this Telegram, like I used to talk about my Telegram classes, you understand, on YouTube. Maybe in my videos I will tell you to join my Telegram class. Let me tell you something, I didn't even know that I was going to organize Telegram classes. But do you know that it was some people that started calling me, students that started calling me, that please, would like you to coach us further. And this prompted me into going further to even make more videos, like to teach them deeply to become bag makers. You know that a lot of people have become successful in Lagos, Port Harcourt, Benue, Abuja. Like I have students all over. Do you understand that I coach? So I didn't start making it that very day. Do you understand? It's with consistency. So, and putting God first. So please, I would like to encourage you this afternoon that you should put God first. Please, in whatever you are doing, put God first, and be consistent. If you like to be coached by me, if you like to learn more on bag making, you can check the description box. Okay, so I